Rahman Rahim. Today our question is what does the author conclude and what is his advice to the world powers about the use of nuclear weapons? During the World War II, the Allied forces dropped a nuclear bomb at Nagasaki. It caused vast scale destruction everywhere. The writer was the eyewitness to the destruction caused by bombing at Nagasaki. Those days he was a student of medical school. On that day, he could not go to school because the tram was derailed. At noon, an aircraft passed overhead. There was a loud explosion. He hid himself in the toilet and became senseless. When he came to senses, he saw a horrible scene. He was even more shocked when he reached his medical school the next day. He saw destruction, radiation, and death everywhere. Nothing was in its proper shape. So many people had died that it was very difficult for him to bury them. So he had to burn those bodies. Whenever the writer remembers this incident, he becomes sad. He is disgusted with the misery and destruction that he saw during the bombing of Nagasaki. He forbids the world powers to use those nuclear weapons again. He says, never again should these terrible nuclear weapons be used no matter what happens. He warns the world powers against the dangers of nuclear weapons. He is determined to end up the use of nuclear weapons. We also favor the author when he warns the world powers against the use of nuclear weapons in future. Thank you.